Good morning, students. This is Math session 9th standard, chapter 4, Geometry, types of angles. We are already known about the angles. We just recall that. First one is acute angle. Acute angle means the value must be lies between 0 to 90 degree. So 0 ல இருந்து 90 degree குள்ள இருக்கிற angle தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்னா acute angle. Then if the angle is 90 degree, that is exact 90 degree means it is called right angle. Then the angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. If the value of angle is 180 degree, then it is called a straight angle. If the angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, okay, that is like this, then the angle is called a reflex angle. Next we are going to see complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree. That is, two angles add பண்ணும்போது 90 degree கிடைச்சது அப்படின்னா that two angles are said to be complementary angles. See this example. Here we are having the angle ABC. That is, at B we are having the angle as 64 degree. So இது எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா angle ABC ன்னு சொல்லலாம் அல்லது angle CBA ன்னு சொல்லலாம் அல்லது simply angle B ன்னு சொல்லலாம். This 64 degree. Similarly, see this angle FED equal to 26 degree அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம் அல்லது angle DEF 26 degree அல்லது வெறும் angle E equal to சொல்லலாம். Okay, here have to add the angle B and E means we will get 90 degree. So this angle B and E are called as complementary angles. Next one is supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. So sum வந்து 90 degree இருந்தா அது complementary angles. அதே இது 180 degree இருந்தா that angles are called supplementary angles. See this example. Here angle ABC is 110 degree. That is angle B is 110 degree. Here XYZ. Angle XYZ means this angle Y is 70 degree. The sum of the angle B and Y is 180 degree. So those two angles are called supplementary angles. Next we are going to see adjacent angles. Adjacent means nearer. That is பக்கத்துல பக்கத்துல இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த angles வந்து adjacent angles ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Two angles are called adjacent angles if, see this, they have a common vertex. Common vertex means this corner point. And they have a common arm. This middle one is called a common arm. The common arm lies between the two non-common arms. That is, இந்த common arm எங்க இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா இங்க இருந்து, that is, இங்க arm எதை சொல்றாங்கன்னா ரேவை சொல்றாங்க. Ray means it has only the starting point. There is no ending point. So இந்த ரேக்கு நடுவுல இன்னொரு ரே இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா these two angles are called as adjacent angles. Next is linear pair of angles. It is nothing but adjacent angles பார்த்தோம்ல, sum of the two adjacent angles வந்து 180 degree இருந்ததுன்னா that angles are called linear pair of angles. See this. This is the straight angle. Here we are having one ray. If we are adding these two angles means we will get 180 degree and these two angles are adjacent angles. Okay. That is, if a ray stands on a straight line, this is the ray stands on one straight line, then the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. These two are the adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. We then say that the angles so formed is a linear pair. So இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா that two angles are called linear pair. Next one is vertically opposite angles. See this. If two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. That is, if two lines வந்து intersect ஆயிருக்கும் போது இந்த oppositeல form ஆகிற anglesக்கு பேர் தான் என்னன்னா vertically opposite angles. These two angles must be equal. Next we are going to see transversal. See this, two or more lines are intersected by another line at distinct points. வேற வேற இடத்துல டச் பண்ணிருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா that line is called as transversal. In this, M and N are the parallel lines, L is the transversal line. So இங்க parallel line இல்லாம non-parallel lines கூட இருக்கலாம். At that time 8 angles are formed. The angles are marked as angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See this, a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal of those lines. Okay, here the angles formed are classified into 5 types. That is, first one is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means here the angle 1 and 2 are called corresponding angles. Like this, 3 and 4 also corresponding angles, 5 and 6 are also corresponding angles, 7 and 8 are also corresponding angles. Second one is alternate interior angles. Interior means inside la irukkiradhu, alternate means opposite la inga irukkiradhu. So here 5 and 4 are alternate interior angles. Similarly 2 and 7 are also alternate interior angles. Third one is alternate exterior angles. Exterior means வெளியே இருக்கிறது. Okay, alternate means இங்க opposites. That is, here angle 1 and 8 are alternate exterior angles. Similarly 3 and 6 are also alternate exterior angles. Fourth one is interior angles on the same side of the transversal. That is, இதுதான் transversal, அதுல ஒரே சைடுல இருக்கிற angles சொல்லிருக்காங்க. That is, இப்போ இந்த லைன்ல இந்த transversalல இந்த சைடு இருக்கிற interior angles பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 and 5. Okay, similarly here 4 and 7. Fifth one is exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Exterior means வெளியே இருக்கிற angles, அதே மாதிரி transversalக்கு ஒரே சைடா இருக்கணும். Here 1 and 6 are the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal, and 3 and 8 also exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. If the transversal intersects the parallel lines means we have some properties. That is, here the vertically opposite angles are equal and the corresponding angles are equal, and alternate interior angles are also equal, and sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. Okay, like that, sum of the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal is also 180 degree. These are the sum of the properties if the transversal cuts the parallel lines. Okay, next we are going to see types of triangle. Already you are known there are 3 types of triangle. First one is scale and triangle. That is, in that all sides are different. That is, no 2 sides are equal. Then it is called scale and triangle. Next one is isosceles triangle. That is, 2 sides. Any 2 sides are equal mean then the triangle is called as isosceles triangle. The last one is equilateral triangle. In that equilateral, all sides are equal in measurements. Now we are going to see one new property, that is exterior angle property of a triangle. It is, see this triangle, if one of the side is extended like this, then the angle formed outside is called an exterior angle. That angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay, sum of the interior two opposite angles. See this, if a side of a triangle is stretched, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. That is, this B angle is equal to this angle A plus B. Have you all able to understand this? This is one of the new property was studied in this 9th standard. Next we are going to study about congruent triangles. Congruent means equal. Okay, 2 triangles are congruent if the sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of another triangle. So ஒரு triangleல இருக்கிற sides-உம் angles-உம் இன்னொரு triangleல இருக்கிற sides-க்கும் angleக்கும் equal-ஆ இருந்ததுன்னா we can say that two triangles are congruent triangles. See this, the rule is SSS. Here SS represents the side, side and side. See this diagram. Here they were given two triangles. Name of the triangles are ABC and PQR. Okay, we are going to say these two as the congruent triangles. See, by comparing the sides, this AB side is equal to this PQ side. Okay, corresponding sides. இந்த sideல இருந்தது இந்த left sideல இருந்ததுன்னா இங்கேயும் left sideல தான் இருக்கும். And BC side is equal to QR side. Okay, here QR side means next to this side. இங்க A, B and C ல அதே மாதிரி இங்க P, Q, இங்க next R. So அந்த மாதிரி equal ஆ இருக்கணும். Next one is AC side is equal to PR side. So three sides are equal. So by SSS concept, we can say the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Next we are going to see the rule SAS. SAS means side, angle, side. See this diagram. Here the name of the triangles are ABC and XYZ. Here the side is AB is equal to XY side. Okay, and the angle BAC is equal to angle YXZ. This may be written as angle A is equal to angle X. So இந்த மாதிரி 3 letters கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா this is startingல இருந்து ending வரை கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த middleல தான் angles இருக்கும். Okay, and the side AC is equal to the side XZ. Okay, so side, angle, side. So SAS. By SAS rule, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Next rule is ASA. Here A means angle, side, angle. Okay, here the name of the triangles are ABC and PQR. Here the first angle is A. Angle A is equal to angle P. Next one is the side. This AB side is equal to this PQ side. Okay, and the angle B is equal to angle Q. So by this rule, angle, side, angle, we can say the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Next we are going to see the rule AAS, that is angle, angle, S. For that, see these diagrams. The name of the triangles are triangle ABC and triangle MNO. Here angle A is equal to angle M. Okay, and angle B is equal to angle N, and the side BC is equal to NO side. So by angle, angle, side concept, we can say these two triangles are congruent triangles. That is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle MNO. The last one is RHS. See this. These two are called the right angled triangle. Why these two are called as right angled triangle? Yes, any one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angled triangle. See, நம்ம இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஆங்கிள்லாம் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணும்போது இந்த மாதிரி கர்வ்ல தான் போட்டிருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி 90 டிகிரிக்கு மட்டும்தான் போடணும். Are you all able to understand this? So இந்த மாதிரி பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா that is called as 90 degree. That is right angle. Okay, so these two are the right angled triangle. Okay, in this the name of the triangles are ABC and PRQ. Okay, here ACB is equal to angle PRQ, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, that is written as R. R means right angle. Are you all able to understand this? Next one is the side which is opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. What is its name? Hypotenuse side. Okay, so that is also equal here. That is, the side AB is equal to the side PQ. That name of the side is hypotenuse. And the side AC is equal to PR side. Okay, so that is called RHS. So we can say that by this RHS rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. I hope you are all understand about types of angles, types of triangles and rules for congruent triangles. Thank you, students.